Welcome to my video 2 for Chapter 7, Windows 7 Security Features. In this demonstration, we are going to audit file modification for users. In a corporate environment, it is useful to track all of the users that have modified sensitive files. You can use auditing to track file modification. In this activity, you will enable auditing of a file modification creation, configure a file to be audited, and view user modification of that file. So we will begin by hitting the Start orb, go to All Programs, click Accessories. We want to right-click on Command Prompt and Run as Administrator. In the User Account Control window, click Yes. Okay. At the command prompt, we want to type audit poll, AUDITPOL, space / get space / category, colon, and asterisk. And then you'll hit Enter. This displays a list of all the advanced audit policy settings that are in place. Read the list of policy settings that are enabled. This is the default configuration for Windows 7. Note that under Object Access, so let's see if we can find that. Here's Object Access. File system auditing is not enabled. You can see it says no auditing there. After you enable policy settings in the local security policy, these settings are removed and only the settings explicitly applied in the policy are effective. All right, so now we can close that. So we took a good look at it. Take time to look through all of it. So now we're going to Start orb, Control Panel, go into System Security and Administrative Tools. We're going to double click on Local Security Policy. And in the left pane, we are going to expand Local Policies and click Audit Policy. We're waiting for this to come up. My computer is thinking. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we want to expand local policies over here, and we're going to click Audit Policy. Review the list of categories for basic auditing and note that none are enabled in the local security policy. So you can see that none are here, none are set to audit, and these are the different things that can be audited. In the left pane, expand Advanced Audit Policy Configuration. Advanced Audit Policy Configuration. And expand System Audit Policies, Local Group. And then we're going to click on Object Access. All right, we're going to double click on the Audit File System. So here we have Audit File System. We're going to double click. This option enables auditing for file access. In the Audit File System Properties window, which we see here, select the Configure the Following Audit Events checkbox And then we're also going to select success and failure checkboxes and click explain. Read the explanation, and if you need to, go ahead and pause this educational video and click OK. The system is now able to track successful file access when users have permission to access a file, and unsuccessful file access when users do not have permission to access a file. However, auditing must still be enabled for the individual files. So we're going to close Security Policy and close all other windows. We're going to go back to the Start orb and click Documents here. Right-click in an open area in the Name column and point to New and click Text Document. Type Audit and press Enter. So we've created a new text document. Right-click and click Properties and click the Security tab. Now here we want to click Advanced right over here and click the Auditing tab here. Note that auditing information is protected by the UAC. To continue, you must be an administrative user with privileges to view this object's auditing properties. Do you want to continue? Yes. And we will click that to open the auditing information. Note that no auditing is configured by default. Click Add. Type Everyone and check and then click OK. This configures auditing to track access by all users. You can limit auditing to certain users or groups. All right. We want to click, let's see, check the successful and failed checkboxes for create files and write data. So here we have create files, write data. We want successful and failed. This configures auditing to track changes to the file. Click OK 4 times to close all the dialog boxes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Double-click Audit Text to open the file and then add some content to the file. Okay. We're going to click File, Exit, and Save. Generally I do that the opposite way, but hey. And then we're going to close the Windows Explorer. Okay, so we created a document there. Now, we're going to click the Start orb, go to Computer. Oh, excuse me. I wanted to right-click on Computer and click on Manage. In the Event pane, we're going to expand Event Viewer as soon as it comes up. Okay, we're going to expand Event Viewer. We're going to expand Window Logs, and we're going to click Security. And click Filter Current Log. So here it's Filter Current Log. In the Event Sources box, we're going to select Microsoft Windows Security Auditing. So we're just waiting for that to come up. Oh, look at that. An attempt was made to access an object. Cool. Select Microsoft Windows Security Auditing. Okay. I'm not sure I actually see that. Let me look here. Okay. Filter Current Log. Here is the events. Microsoft Windows Security Auditing. Okay, I don't actually see what it is I'm looking for here. Windows Security Auditing. But it does show us that the account name, login, object, this was taken care of there. Okay. Okay, I was a little confused there, and I have to say that I still am. It says in the Event Sources box, select Microsoft Windows Security Auditing. Well, you can see here, there's the source and the Microsoft Windows Security Auditing. All right, but when we go to the Filter Current Log, it says in the All Event IDs right here that we want to type 4663 and click OK. Note now that only one event is listed, and there we have it there. So I'm confused by the directions there, but we ended up where we wanted to be. So those kind of seem flip-flopped or something. The description indicates that a file was written by user X, and I guess that's here, down here, the general information. User not applicable. Okay. Although that has my name on it, or maybe I'm the one who's auditing. Where X is the number assigned to you. The file opened was audit text, which here it says that it was. Where does that go? There, audit text right here. And the program used to write the file was notepad.execute, which process information shows here notepad execute. I don't totally see that familiar information there at the bottom. So there you have it. We have now created a text document, and we can see how it is by auditing. We can see how it has been altered. We get the information who and when and how, at what time. There you go. Thank you very much.